here's a quick run through on your HEV Sportage functions. Just to start off with your door count functions, you have the option for locking your back windows. You have 4 electric windows. You have the option for your central locking for your doors for locking and unlocking them. You have a button here for folding your automatic folding mirrors. To toggle your left or right mirror, you use your left or right toggle here and you adjust accordingly. Just in front of your right knee, you'll find your electric handbrake. To use this, you firmly press the brake, you push it in here to turn it off, and you pull it back out then again to turn it on. You have your 12-volt battery reset button, you have your traction control button. Jumping on to your steering wheel functions. Starting off here to the left, this is your answering and your hang up button. You have your voice activation button here. You have your mode button, and your start button here is for customizing shortcuts and so on in the media settings. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. To activate this, you have to be doing over about 95 kilometers. You'll press this once to activate your cruise control. Once you're happy doing the speed you're doing, you'll hold down OK once to set it. It'll automatically overtake, and to deactivate it, you can press this button, or else you can press the brake or the accelerator and it'll automatically deactivate. You also have smart cruise control, so when in cruise control, you can press this button and that will choose your car to keep distance between 2, 3 and 4 car lengths from the car in front of you. This button here is your lane keep assist button, which is clearly displayed here. Once you turn on the car, this is automatically on. If you do not like the system, want to turn it off, you hold this down for 4 seconds and your symbol will disappear. You have your wiper settings here on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and you have your light settings here on the left. You have automatic lights. When in auto, you can push this forward and you'll get an auto symbol up here. This will activate your dip beam headlights. So at night time when the car is coming towards you, the lights will automatically dip down themselves, and when the car goes past, they'll automatically come back on to your full lights again. Just to jump on to your center console, so this is your drivetrain gearing. So you'll foot firmly on the brake, you'll twist over to the right to go into drive, and back over to the left to go into reverse. When going into reverse, your reversing camera will come on automatically. When you're finished driving, you'll click it into neutral and then press the park button here. Below that here, you have your different drive modes. By choosing this, you can choose between your eco and sport modes on the car. On the left hand side of this button, you have the options for turning off your parking sensors. You have the option for bringing up your reversing camera. You have your auto hold option, and you have your downhill brake assist option to help you there as well. This car also comes with a heated steering wheel and heated seats. Press it once to bring on your hottest setting, which is 3 lights. Once more onto 2, onto 1 and off. Above here you have your media settings, so you can choose to go into your map on your sat nav. You can choose to tune your radios or switch over on your audio Bluetooth settings. You have your radio button, which will bring you straight into your radio. And you have your media settings then to switch over between your radio, media, USB and so on, or your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. By pressing this little triangle here, it'll switch over to your aircon system, which you can choose your fan settings, you can choose which vents you want the air coming out of, and you have your heat settings here to change the heat. Just up here on your multimedia screen, you have your different options here, such as your hybrid mode, your climate control system, all your different options such as Key Connect and so on. If there's something else you want to go through more detail on, if you click in here to menu and you scan your QR code, it'll bring you straight through to a digital app which goes through everything with you step by step.